Hello everyone, welcome. This is me, your admin George Oxyamponsa Jr. and this evening I'm going to show you how you can download and set up your Binance account. Without wasting my time, let's just jump into the tutorial and then start downloading our Binance app. So I am using Android phone, and so I'll go to my Play Store. Those of us using the Apple, we can go to our App Store and then we will search for Binance, and the one we are looking for is the Binance itself, not the Binance wallet. We are looking for the Binance itself. So in my case, I am going to select the second one. You may get it as the first one, but we want the Binance itself, not the Binance wallet. So I will select here and then I will just install. So I already have the app on my phone. At the Uber Play Store, then you just install the Binance app. Okay, you just install the Binance app. I have already installed it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to open my Binance app. Okay, I'm going to open my Binance app, and then it's because I have already logged in, but you should have this interface when you are trying to log in for the first time. This is the interface you should get. Okay, so I'll go to sign up with phone or email. Now the country or area of residence should be Ghana. It is a way country or area of residence. Mr. Say not Ghana, just select Ghana. Okay, mine is already there. It's a Meko confirm. I'll go to confirm. Now I'll have the option to either register with my phone number or my email address. Either my phone number or my email address. Okay, so in this case I already have the account, but because of for educational purposes I am going to create another account. For educational purposes I am going to create another account. So I'll just select the email and then I will input my email address. I'll just type in my email address, and then the password, I will choose the password I want to use. Please note, this is very important. Once you lose your password, it will be very difficult for you to access your account. So when you get to this place, a book and a pen, write the password you are going to use over here. Now your password should include a capital letter, small letters, and then a number, at least a number. Okay, and it should be 8 or above. It should be 8 characters or above. And then I will type in my password. So I will just type in my password like that, and then I will go to referral ID. The referral ID is optional, but this is the only means you can also use to support me. I am doing the video for free. Okay, all you need to do to help me is to just type in my referral code over here. Now, just like I said, it is not optional, but this video is going to be in twofold. The first video I am doing is how to connect or how to get the Binance app, and then you'll be able to withdraw from your Capgemini account. Now when the money is sent into your account, I will also do a video on how you can actually convert your USDT into a fiat money, like our normal money we are using. So you are going to get paid into your mobile money wallet. So my code is 388-127479. 388-127479. So all you need to do is to just click or tap on create account. Now this security verification will pop up. So what you have to do is that you see a slide to complete the puzzle. Now if I move the slide to complete the puzzle, you see that the puzzle is moving. So I will just drop the puzzle in this code. So you want to make sure that it is in line. Okay, so make sure that everything is in line like this, and then you just leave it. It will automatically load the site for you. Now after it has come to this page, all you need is to just verify your email address, and you can see from here that the verification code has already been sent. I'll go into my Gmail account, and then I will just select the email, and then this is the verification code that was sent. So I'll just copy it. And then I'll come back to my Binance account, and I'll paste the code over here. I'll just paste the code over here, and then I will tap on submit. Now my Binance account has been created. My Binance account has been created, but it has not been verified. You will need your Ghana card or any government issued card to actually activate or verify your Binance account. And so if you don't have Ghana card, if you don't have any of the governmental issued card, that is the voters ID card or your license or your passport, then you cannot actually verify your Binance account. This is very important. And if you don't verify your Binance account, there is no way you are going to get the address to the various cryptocurrencies. This is not the time when I am coming to show you what cryptocurrencies is. Our main aim here is to get paid, and so that is what I am going to do. If you want to know what cryptocurrency is, you will pay me and I will teach you. Okay, so now we will need to verify our account. So in my case, I will just go to the top over here. Okay, I will just go to the top over here. It is unverified, so I'll tap on the unverified. I'll tap on it, and then this page will be open for me. So I'll confirm my country, and then the requirement is personal information, government issued card, and then facial recognition. So I'll go to start now. Let's wait for it to load, and then all I need to do is to input the name I have on that particular card. Okay, I will input the name I have on that particular card. So in my case, I will input my first name, I will input my last name, and then I will input my middle name, and then I will just have to input my date of birth. So the date of birth also have to correspond with the date of birth you have on your government issued card. Okay, so this is from 1990 to 1999, and I'll select my month, and then I'll just select the day over here. Okay, I am not 16th, I am 17th. Okay, so I'll just go to continue. Now residential address, I'll just type in Sunyani, and then I'll type in my postal code. If you don't have a postal code, you just use the 233 as the general or the default Ghanaian postal code, and then the city should be your city. My city is Sunyani, so I will select Sunyani here, and then I'll go to continue. Now I'll wait for it to load, and then I will select the card that I am using. I will just select the card that I am using. So I am using my Ghana card, and so I am going to select the ID card, and then I will click on continue. Now this is just self-explanatory, so I'll just go to continue again, and then I'll have to upload the front face, only the front face of my Ghana card. And so if you are doing yours this evening, you will make sure that you have a very bright, or a very the place you are has light. Okay, so that your Ghana card can be captured very clearly. So I will just capture the front side of my Ghana card. I will tap on the add sign, and then I'll go to take photo. Then my camera will be open for me. So I just have to make sure that my Ghana card has been placed rightly in the middle of my camera, and then I will just snap it. Now after I have snapped it, I'll just go to OK. I'll just go to OK. OK. So I'll go to continue for me to be able to snap the back of my Ghana card. And so I'll tap on back side of the ID card, and I'll go to take photo, and then I'll just snap the back of the Ghana card as well. Okay, then I'll go to OK, and then Binance will do its own verification, and then I will just need to continue. Okay, I will just need to continue, and now my Binance account has been created. Now it's left with myself to just take a selfie. Okay, so now I'll just take a selfie of my face. Okay, I'll just take a selfie of my face, and as you can see, I am in a very bright room. So I'll just keep quiet and take my selfie now. Okay, so this is my selfie, and so I'm going to upload it. I am going to upload it. You wait for it to be uploaded, and then you just tap on continue, and then we have just one verification to do. That is because Binance want to make sure that you are not a robot. So this is 4 things that you must not do. 1, you don't have to wear any hat or cap. 2, you do not have to put on any glasses at all. So if you have problem with your eyes at this moment, you just have to remove your glasses or whatever. And then avoid using filters, and then use enough lighting. So I'm just going to begin the verification. And then I'm going to place my face in the middle. So what I'll do is that I'll just be moving my head around so that it can capture the entire face.
Please blink now.
And now the app is asking me to blink, so I'll just blink my eyes. And now you can see that the verification is complete. Okay, so I'll just close the app, and then from here you don't need to start again because you have already verified your identity. So I'll just go back, and you can see from the top that the account is under review. So now guys, this is how you can create your Binance account. The next video will be how you can actually get your address after your account has been verified, and according to their rules, it takes up to 24 hours for your account to be verified. So thank you very much.